Hi everyone. Today we're exploring an interesting concept called Sastry numbers. A Sastry number is a positive integer which, when concatenated with the next integer, forms a perfect square. We write a JavaScript program that checks if a given number is a Sastry or not. Sounds fun? Let's get into it. A Sastry number is quite unique. If you write the number n followed immediately by n plus 1, and this new number is a perfect square, then n is Sastry. For example, 328 concatenated with 329 gives 328, 329, which is the perfect square. So 328 is a Sastry number. We'll check this condition programmatically. Here's the main function. We take the number n and concatenate it with n plus 1 as strings. This forms a large string representing the concatenation. We then take the square root of this concatenated string, which is converted back to a number. If the square root is an integer, we then the concatenated number is a perfect square, meaning n is Sastry. We return true or false accordingly. Neat and minimal code. Let's walk through this. We take the number n and concatenate it with n plus 1 to get a string number. This string is converted implicitly when we calculate its square root. Then we check if the square root is a whole number. If yes, the concatenated number is a perfect square and n is a Sastry number. Otherwise, it is not. Here's how our function performs. 27 concatenated with 28 becomes 2728, which is not a perfect square, so output is false. 328 concatenated with 329 is 328, 329, which is an integer square root, so output is true. A big number like 280276683 also works and returns true. This confirms the function's correctness for different inputs. Why learn about Sastry numbers? While niche, they are a fascinating example of how numbers and strings interplay in programming. They make great practice for combining string manipulation with math functions. Such problems sharpen your logical thinking and prepare you for interview challenges. It is always exciting to discover hidden patterns in numbers with simple code. To sum up, we wrote a concise JavaScript function that determines if a number is Sastry number by checking if concatenating it with its successor results in a perfect square. This involved converting numbers to strings, calculating square roots, and checking integer status, all in one line. It is a great blend of math and coding fun. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.